Hi everybody, this is going to be a video of my entire fire alarm collection. This is going to be like part 3 of my fire alarm collection. So, and I got a couple power supplies right there, a screwdriver, wires, and batteries. And those 2 mounting plates came off my 2 white ceiling mount alarms. 2 white ones right there. So, let's start by looking at all these devices. And remember, I am very good with model numbers. I am really good with model numbers. So first up, we have a Simplex dual action T-bar. It's not functional anymore because the module has been removed, the button, and no, I don't know the model number indicated by this hole right here. The model number probably must have rubbed off over time. That stuff happens. Well, I do not know the actual model number to this pull station. So, it's my first Simplex, which is my very first pull station. Up next, we have a system sensor, Specter Alert Classic P2475. My Specter Alert Classic horn strobe. Here's the label. Yeah, the label has rubbed off over time. That stuff happens a lot. That was also my first alarm. Up next, we have a PC24115, a ceiling mount Specter Alert Classic. It's pretty interesting. Next up on the list, we have a PC2W ceiling mount Specter Alert Advance. I don't have the mounting plate on it right now. The mounting plates are over there. I told you at the beginning of the video. Yep. System sensor PC2W. And you can select your tone, like code 3 and continuous. That's a good alarm that you can get for like 20 or 30 bucks. Next up, we have an ESD Genesis remote strobe. The model number on this is G1RF-VM, but it is pretty small on the label here, but these only come in 2-wire versions. So let me get a focus on the label first. There we go. There we go. Well, that was kind of weird. Next up, we have an SCW ceiling mount Specter Alert Advance remote strobe. It is just like this one over here, except that it doesn't have the siren. The horn, yeah, this one doesn't have a siren like that one. You've seen this in system. You've seen this in Fire Alarm Test 3. I mean, no, 5. Sorry. This was in 3. This was in 5. So, here's the model number. SCW. Here is the model number. Yep, system sensor SCW. Those are pretty good remote strobes that you can get for starting out a lot. Last but not least for now on the list, we have a Gentex Commander 4. It looks funky. It is round. You have this cute little hamburger device. You have this cute little hamburger bun design, kind of, but it's an actual alarm. But it's a ceiling mount version of the Gentex Commander. This is a Gentex Commander 4. It's like the Commander 3, but the Commander 3 is wall mount. And the model number on this is GCC24CR. Yep, GCC24CR. Well, I haven't bothered to make a video on it. Well, I really should one of these days. It really should be interesting. So, how do you like my entire fire alarm collection? I think my favoriteest alarm would be these two. I do like classic Specter Alerts a lot. I also like ceiling mount Specter Alert Advances and wall mounts too. So, well, there's my, I got my two mounting plates for these two, the horn strobe and the remote strobe version. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching.